तो फिर से आपका एक नए वीडियो में स्वागत है स्टडी प्लॉट के। इसमें हमने आपसे वादा किया था कि हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को करेंगे। वही शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन का एक और नया वीडियो आ चुका है और बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, हाउ कैन यू से that the narrator like writing ghost stories? Give at least 2 examples from the text. Yes, no, he is not fond of writing ghost stories. He says, I didn't specialize in, I was not an expert in writing ghost stories. They seem to specialize in me. He never had an idea for such a story and didn't know how or why he was able to write them. When Jenkins asked them, the author, to write a ghost story, he was not very ready but could not say no to Jenkins, as he was the only one who had published his work till then. Your first question answer. Why John wants the ghost to leave? John was extremely afraid of his wife. He knew that she was so possessive about him. Then if she saw a lady in his room, she would be mad at him. She also was a meek-hearted woman. The narrator felt that she would faint on seeing a ghost, so he wanted the ghost to disappear before his wife's arrival. This is second question answer. Narrator calls the assembly of women a manipulator. Give reason for the same. The word manipulator means the people who control skillfully anyone or anything. The author wants to say that the ladies were prompting the Ouija board indicator to spell out his name and so called them manipulators. They wanted the narrator wife to suspect him and they created a fight between the author and his wife. मतलब मेनली क्या कहना है कि जो वर्ड मैनिपुलेटर है ये कहना चाह रहा है कि ये पीपल वो होते हैं जो लोगों को बहुत अच्छी तरह से कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं और किसी भी चीज़ को कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं। तो ऑथर कहना चाह रहा है कि जो लेडीज़ थी वो ओइजा बोर्ड को प्रॉम्प्ट कर रही थी उसके एडिटर को अपना नाम बुलवाने के लिए, और तो फिर उसने उन्हें मैनिपुलेटर्स कहा और फिर वो चाहते थे कि नरेटर की वाइफ नरेटर को सस्पेक्ट करे और उनके बीच में उन्होंने फाइट क्रिएट कर दी थी. John tells his wife that the flirtation with Ouija board were quite above board. What literacy device is being used here? Give reason. The literacy device used here is pun. A pun is a use of word where for double meaning. In John's statement, the pun is on the phrase above boards, where which means in the open without any dishonesty. This is true as he is not flirting with Helen, the ghost. He wanted to tell her that whatever had happened between him and Helen was because of Ouija boards only. Lavinia tells John there is not a bit he was trying to deceive her. He is trying to conceal something. It is bad enough to have him flirt over Ouija board with that fuzzy, to which John replies that the affair is quite above board, which means that John has nothing to do with Miss Hinkle. Why had the lady came to author place? Did she help the author? Why not? ghost lady came to the author's place because the author had been calling on heaven and earth to help him write a story. No, she didn't help the author because she was going on strike, as the people down on the earth disturbed them a lot by calling them every now and then to answer their questions using an Ouija board. Why did the ghost organize the Writer Inspiration Bureau? What was their mode of working? The ghost, whose authors when alive had to work in pathetic condition, they formed Writer Inspiration Bureau after his death. These ghosts scouted around till they found a writer without ideas and with a mind. Writer Inspiration Bureau ideas and with a mind soft enough to accept an impression. The case was brought to the attention of the main office, and one of the ghosts was assigned the case. After completing the task, they submitted the report. तो इसी के साथ हमारे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस भी ख़त्म होते हैं, और आशा करता हूँ आपको अच्छा लगे होंगे। अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, बेल आइकन को दबाएं और कमेंट करें। और तब तक के लिए मैं चलता हूँ यहाँ से और मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में वही पोएट्री के सेक्शन के साथ। कभी टाइम मिले तो मैं बनाऊँगा आपके लिए। और हाँ प्लीज़ बस मेरे क्राइटेरिया पूरा करा दें और मेरे को हाई तक पहुँचाएँ। धन्यवाद। चलता हूँ। बाय बाय। बाय बाय।